We want ELGA associates to take away from this day the importance of giving back to the community that supports us. So if our associates can feel some sort of fulfillment out of this day as they see what we're able to do as we come together as a collective to be able to make a difference, I think that'll be a day well served.
I love revisiting what we're really all about and the impact that we make in our community, and not just taking care of the bottom line of ELGA Credit Union, but what that bottom line can also do for the rest of the community around us. Seeing the amount of volunteerism, hearing about it, the stories of how the impact that we make. We do these drives, we do these charity events, and get you kind of choked up thinking about that. Other people's lives have bigger challenges than I'll ever know, and being able to give back to them in some way through this organization is a blessing.
I love being a part of being able to start it from boxes and crates to actually being able to put our personal touches on things to be able to help the community, and so it'll be fun to look forward to hearing the stories of how today impacts local families.
Our United Way has been working with ELGA for years and years, really addressing community needs. Credit unions are really all about serving their communities and really that membership ownership connection and connection to service and everyday people helping each other. That's really what it's all about, is that kind of partnership. So we're just here once again today. We're doing some stuff for folks that are struggling with their housing and packing some care kits and so forth. But it's all about working together, and credit unions do that great, and United Ways are great partners with credit unions.